Woodworking and sawdust, well, it goes together
like peas and carrots.
That's right, Forrest, it sure does. What's happening, my friends? Today we are talking about this very unnecessary but incredibly fun wood shop tool, this little mini blower. My barber actually used this on me, and I was like, to blow all the hair off my shoulders, and I was like, hey, that would be fun in the wood shop. So you have your dust collector hooked up to your table saw, and the dust collector for your sander. But what do you do about sawdust and wood dust that collects on your workbench? Now, probably like most of us, you go to what your grandfather used, the old dust broom, right? It works. But is it really that fun? And of course, if it really gets bad, I go overkill and I bring out the leaf blower. But we are in the 21st century, my friends. So here in the 21st century, we are using the mini blower. Now, as many of you might have guessed, this is made in China. There are probably no less than 28 people selling this under different names on Amazon. This one had the best reviews and one of the cheapest prices. I think it was around $21. But you know what? They probably all come from the same Chinese factory anyways. But I've had it for over a month and I'm absolutely loving it. It's a lot of fun. Even my wife loves this thing. So, unnecessary, don't really need it, but it is a lot of fun. It is very convenient for getting dust out of cracks and crevices that dust broom will not reach. And you don't have to pull out the big guns of the leaf blower to do it. You have this little tool, and it just really gets the job done. So, link below if you're interested. Thanks for watching the video.